Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes, some sinking funds, and some saving challenges. So if that's something that you're here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Okay besties, so first and foremost, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasure. So if it's your first time here, but if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am so glad that you're back. So first and foremost, I am going to be stuffing $1,655, and so I have that here. I'm gonna count that all out. I'm gonna be using my little tray here, and I'm gonna go over to my cash envelope sheet here. That will let me know basically how I should allocate, or what money should go in what envelope. Okay, so that is this cash envelope breakdown sheet. That is from the Budget Mom, if you are wondering. And so let me count all of the money here to make sure. Well, all of the money is not here, so let me just say that. Some of the money I did actually go to the nail shop already. So whatever money is left from the nail shop, I'm gonna put that in my nail envelope, okay? So currently what we have here, first of all, let me get all the money to go in the right direction. You guys know I can't count money if it's not all going the same way. I mean, I can count it because it definitely does still count, but it just counts better when it's all going the same direction. And as a banker, I don't see how they don't care to have all the bills going in the same direction. I should actually go here. Okay. Just make sure all the money is facing the same way, and it is. So I'm gonna bring this calculator down here. I'm gonna put this up here. I'm gonna put this right here. Yeah, that's better. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 1,100. All right, so it's saying here that I have $1,532. So hold on, let me write that really quick, because I know I did spend a little bit over $100 at the nail shop. I think this is going out of ink. I need to change the ink on this. I think I'm gonna use this pen today. And you guys see my nails? So I had to go back to this shape, because with the other shape, I was making holes in my clothes. I was poking everybody, poking my grandbaby, and it was just too much. So I had to go back to this shape. But this is not really the shape that I normally get. I normally get more narrow coffin nails. But my nail tech, he was like really busy today, and you know, my nails are hurting, and like he was busy in a sense of trying to like run the shop and do my nails at the same time. And I even had to tell him, like, friend, you busy today, and it's showing in your work and in the quality of your work. So I'm not super happy with my nails, but it is what it is. So $15.32 is what I have left over to stuff. And what I spent, I wrote it down to make sure I did not forget. I spent $28 for my brows and my lip wax, and then $95 because I did tip a little bit. So I spent $123 on my nails. So I just need to make sure that I wasn't able to get my feet done because since he was running the whole shop, it was taking literally way too long. And I'm like, I gotta go. So I have to go back to get my feet done. So anyway, hoping this is not a whole lot going on up here. I have some room. Okay. So first we're gonna start with my daily wallet. This is my daily wallet from So Crafty Sana. I love this wallet. It's really about time for me to move into my smaller wallet, which I will be doing soon, probably the next time I stuff my envelopes, because I need a smaller wallet now. So I'm gonna be stuffing $200, so that's gonna be a $100 bill and 5 20s. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. And this is for my groceries. And I didn't have any money left over. And then next was household. That's gonna be $40. So it's gonna be 2 20s. And this is gonna go into my household envelope. Didn't have any money left there either. And then toiletries is gonna get $40 as well. And I don't think that I have an actual toiletries envelope. So I'm just gonna say that it is beauty. And that is pretty much it for my daily envelopes. I do need to take out my receipts. So if you guys are not aware of Fetch, I do have Fetch, and that is basically a free app that you can download on your phone, and you can scan your receipts, and when you scan your receipts, you get points. You can take those points and you can convert them into gift cards. I absolutely love this app. It's totally free, and I have gotten some pretty nice gifts. Like I think I always get Nordstrom gift cards whenever I cash out my points, but definitely want to check into that if you do not already have it. I have a code. If you do use my code, you get bonus points and I get bonus points when you scan your first receipt. So that's that. And I'm going to close my daily wallet here. And now we're going to move on to the nail salon. So I had took out $150, but I used $123. So 123 minus 150, so I have $27 left. And what I had took out was 7 20s and a 10. Well, 7 20s and 10 ones. So with $27 left, I am going to take a 20, a 5, and the last 2 ones. And this is what I'm going to be using for my pedicure. Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put it in my daily envelope. I'm going to put it in, I'll just put it in beauty, because really it's beauty too. Because I don't have an envelope specifically for nails in my daily envelope. So there we go. That's that. Now I did use a $100 bill. So I'm gonna have to take that. I'll probably put it in the 1 month ahead. Okay, so we're done with the nail salon. So the 1 month ahead is $1,000. And if you guys are not aware, I'm gonna be getting myself 1 month ahead. And I'm gonna have to explain to you all the whole process, but it's gonna be in a different video. So for now, I'm just gonna stuff the envelope and I'll give you guys the details later, okay? So I do have a 1 month ahead envelope here that I'm gonna stuff. And it's actually going to be, oh yeah, I can just do 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I only got 10. But I was supposed to have 12. Yeah, I used one, so that's fine. Then I use, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $1,000 in my 1 month ahead envelope. And when we do the detailed video, I'll be able to let you guys know how much in total I need to save. So next is, and I think that's it for this binder. Next up is my 52-week savings challenge, and that is going to be $75. And that is this one here. I am aware, you guys, that this is only $2,000. For some reason, I thought it was like $5,000. And a couple of the besties was like, oh, bestie. No, it's not. It's $2,000. I guess you guys did the math for me, so definitely thank you. So, yeah. It's $2,000. It's not $5,000. I wish it was, but it's okay. I need to crawl before I can walk. So this is some good crawling. All right, so $75, and I think it's gonna be the 45 and the 30. Let me just make sure. Yep, 75. So it's gonna be these two, 45 and the 30. And that $75 is going to be a 50, a 20, and a 5, I believe. Yep, 50. All right. And then at the end of the year, I will empty the envelope and figure out what I want to do with it. I don't know if it will be Christmas money or money I'll put in my emergency fund. Don't really know quite yet. And then next is going to be the 3K savings challenge, and this was $100 that I took out, and so it's just going to be two $50s, two $50 circles, $50 circle here, and a $50 circle here. And this is going to be 5 20s. 20, 40, 60, 81. And this is for the month of May. Right, so that's that. And then the last $50 bill is actually a gift that I have to give someone. So I'm actually going to put this in my daily wallet. So I'm gonna have to actually get a birthday card. So do they have gifts? So I have a gift envelope here. Let me see. Really, I just need to hold the money here. Eat out? Nope. I'm just gonna put it in miscellaneous. It's a gift. All right. So boom. That is pretty much it. I have stuffed all of my envelopes, and I am ready to conquer the next couple of weeks and make sure that I am staying within budget. Using cash is a great way to make sure that you're staying in budget. You're not going spending any money outside of what you've allocated for certain categories. So if that's something that you want to try, I definitely suggest that you do, or recommend that you do if it's something. But that is pretty much it. And if I didn't say it before, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Also make sure that you have your notification bells on so you know anytime I upload a video. And also make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you enjoy the content, you enjoy our community and the channel. So make sure you guys are giving these videos a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for your engagement. As always, I love you much. Go be great, besties. Peace out.